Hi guys! How's everybody doing today? Welcome to Levis Kitchen and ChefBoyArte. Kumusta po tayo lahat dyan? At ngayong araw na ito, I'm gonna show you a simple but yummy and delicious dish that I'm gonna share it with you guys. How to cook Tokwa Baboy, the old-fashioned way from my lola. Ganun pa man, bago po tayo mag-umpisa, can I get a share, subscribe, and leave a comment below para palagi po kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Then again, let's start cooking and let's prepare this. So mga kaibigan, bali ito po yung mga ingredients or mga sangkap na ating kakailanganin para magawa ng masarap na Tokwa Baboy, the old-fashioned way. Ito po, halos ang mga ingredients, nakasulat po sa ilalim. So, umpisahin na po natin yung pagkakat ng ating mga ingredients. Ito po, meron tayong, we have red onion, one whole red onion. Cut ko lang po siya ng mid-size cut, just like the one I'm doing it right now. Ganito lang pong kalaki. Yan po ang red onion. Tapos, we're gonna chop some garlic or turn it to minced garlic. Mga 8 to 10 cloves of garlic po ito. Cloves of garlic. And dito meron tayong ginger. First, babalatan ko lang po siya. And then slice it thin. And also cut it into minced ginger, just like this one. Then green onion. Chopped green onion. Now we're gonna cut our tofu. Our tofu has to be cut into a cubes cut or bite size, just like this one. Ayan, umpisan pa po natin ng let's boil our pork snout and pork ears. Lalagyan ko lang po siya ng some sliced ginger, bay leaf, para mawala yung lansa o yung musky smell, ika nga. Tatakpan ko lang mo siya. Ang gagawin ko po rito, lulutuin ko po halos yung pork snout ng 20 minutes. Tapos ialis ko na po siya hanggang matira lang po yung pork ears. Yung pork ears, we have to cook it longer, at least another 15 minutes prior kasi mas matigas siya. Yan po, halos after 15 minutes, ready na rin po siya. So we can remove it from the wok. Just like that. Now we're gonna, here, ikakat pa natin siya ng ng almost bite size din ng cubes. Just like the same size as the tofu. Ganyan lang po. Just continue cutting until maubos natin lahat. Ayan po. Ayan. Ang ginagawa ko po kasi rito, hinahalo ko yung pork snout. Masarap kasi siya. Tsaka yung pork ears. Kayo, nasa inyo yung diskarte. Itong gagawin ko halos old-fashioned way. Halos ito na po, naiwan na lahat. Ang next step ngayon, ilalagay ko lang po siya sa sheet pan. And then, i-broil po natin siya sa oven para magkaroon lang ng konting brown and burn na konti yung ating pinakuluan na pork ears and pork snout. So after we boil it, now we're gonna put it in the oven to broil it for at least 7 minutes prior para makuha lang yung. So bali dito naman po, nagpakulo po ako ng cooking oil, tapos let's deep fry our garlic until it turns color brown. At the same time, ihalo ko na rin po yung tofu para magkaroon lang po konting lutong or crispy and nice color brown. para maganda yung texture ng ating pagkaluto ng ating tofu mamaya. Ang gagawin ko rito, ipipirito ko lang po siya ng deep fry ko lang siya ng mga 7 to 8 minutes. As you may see, the garlic's already turning brown. So after 8-7 minutes, I think this is ready. Ang gagawin ko lang po, ihahango ko lang po siya sa kumukulong mantika. Just like that. Bali, ganyan po siya. And don't forget to get all the garlic that I deep fried with it. Yun po magbibigay ng aroma flavor mamaya sa ating Tokwa Baboy. Ayun po. Ready na po yan. Ayan. Ayan po yung ating tofu and fried garlic. Ito naman po, sisilipin naman po natin ating pork snout and pork ears sa mga itsura. So ito po, after 8 to 7 minutes, ito po yung kinalabasan ng ating pork snout and pork ears. Bali dito, we have 200 ml of vinegar, red onion, tofu, fried tofu with fried garlic, some minced ginger, three tablespoons of soy sauce, 8 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Okay, now let's add our pork snouts and pork ears that we broiled a while ago. Ko. There you go. And now, the last and not the least, the green onion. My friend, mga kababayan, here's your yummy Tokwa Baboy, the old-fashioned way. 3. Hey guys, thanks for tuning once again. I hope you enjoyed that video that I shared to you a while ago. How to cook Tokwa Baboy the old-fashioned way. It was my Lola's recipe. Then again, hope to see you guys again next time. Just follow the way that I did it, step by step, and you won't get it wrong. Till then, peace out. Babu.